Sodick.
Renewal of the entry model of the linear motor drive wire cut EDM, ideal for machining precision parts for the medical equipment and aerospace industries. Easier to use while expanding the machining area. Introducing the new VN series. All technologies required for high-efficiency machining, including linear motor drive, are developed in-house. Furthermore, the VN series greatly contributes to the improvement of customer productivity by reducing power consumption, improving machining performance, and improving maintainability. The pump, which accounts for 70% of the electricity consumed by a wire-cut EDM during operation, is controlled by an inverter, saving more than 20% of power consumption compared to conventional systems. The VN series uses in-house developed ceramic parts throughout. Ceramic is an ideal material for wire-cut EDM because of its insulating properties, light weight, high rigidity, and low thermal displacement. The 4 axes of X, Y, U, V are driven by linear motors. Full closed-loop control with a linear scale provides both high-speed, high-precision driving and maintenance-free operation. Compared to conventional machines, the Z-axis and UV-axis strokes have been increased, expanding the machining area. The machining performance has also been greatly improved. The new machine offers excellent machining capabilities, such as increased machining speed in floating machining and reduced machining cycles while maintaining good surface roughness, making it ideal for precision parts. The VN series comes standard with TH-COM, which provides stable operation even over long machining times. In addition, the FJ-AWT automatic wire threader, which boasts the same high performance as higher-end models, is employed to provide strong support for stable automatic operation over long periods of time. With the VN series, the optimum layout that enables all tasks to be performed easily makes it easy to operate and set up the machine, making it easier to use. Maintainability has been greatly improved with a new service tank that provides a stable machining environment at all times, even during long hours of operation. A high-capacity filter that reduces the frequency of maintenance, and conductivity pieces that can be replaced with a single touch while the workpiece is still attached. Equipped with in-house developed and manufactured LN3W and LP3W power supply. The horizontal touch panel is designed for workability and operability. Ideal for machining precision parts for the medical equipment and aerospace industries. The VN series of high-speed linear motor-driven wire-cut EDMs meet various needs and contribute to the machining of precision parts that are becoming smaller and more precise.